Okay, so the Steel Series Apex 7 TKL red linear switches. We're gonna review it. Now, for the unboxing, this is what the packaging looks like. We're greeted with an instruction manual or just a general manual of what the product is, and the keyboard and a For Glory symbol of the Steel Series logo, I guess you can say. Now, that's what it looks like. The keyboard is packaged in a nice plastic wrap, and then you have the wrist rest. So this wrist rest is also covered in plastic, and yeah, so that's pretty much all that's in the box. It's just keyboard, wrist rest, cable, and the instruction manual. Now I'm gonna take this plastic off the wrist rest, and yeah, as you can see, there's a little tape, and you just take off the tape and you get the wrist rest. Now this wrist rest is made out of rubber on the top and then metal on the bottom with rubber feet. It also has the Steel Series logo in the middle of the wrist rest. Now that's pretty much the wrist rest done. Let's get to the actual keyboard. Now in this box, there is the cable with a Steel Series branded cable tie or Velcro strap. It comes with it. It's honestly a really nice cable wrap to it, and the cable is really thick too. So that's just one thing to know about it. It's not a thin braided cable, it's more like a rubber cable. Now, right when I take off this like plastic wrap, you see the keyboard. Now there is an OLED display on the top right of the keyboard, and the switches are very rubbery. Not very rubbery, but they're a rubbery switch, and yeah. So the wrist rest actually attaches through magnets on the side of it. As you see, I'm struggling. I didn't know how to put this on at first, but you just attach it on. There's also rubber feet on the bottom of this keyboard that kicks back, and it makes it taller instead of laying flat. That's pretty much the whole keyboard, and let's move on to the sound test. Now that was the Apex 7 TKL linear red switch, Cherry MX red switch keyboard. Now this keyboard runs for about $130, and overall that's pretty expensive, not gonna lie. The feature it has as the OLED display is on the top right of the keyboard. Honestly, it kind of makes it worth it. Where you can put a dinosaur, you can put any GIF or GIF that you want on it. It's a really good feature to it, honestly, and the stabilization and just the overall switches and the way they put it is really good. And yeah, that is the Apex 7 TKL keyboard. I hope you like it. It's a really good keyboard for the price. I would 10 out of 10 recommend. It's built really nice as gunmetal. It's all that you need really for a keyboard. And yeah, honestly, it's just a really good keyboard. Keycaps are a rubberish feel, but yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Hope this was informational and it helped you decide on what keyboard you should really get. But yeah, thank you for watching and have a nice day.